Hi mathematicians, how are we? Hope everybody's been working hard. So far in our lessons we have done some sequencing work and we did some structuring work. And today I would like to work on some addition. Okay, so I already have the first one set up for us. So under this screen I have 4 counters and under this screen I have 3 counters. Go ahead and take a second to tell me how many counters in all. Okay. How many counters are there altogether? Did you say 7? So 4 plus 3 equals 7. How did you do it? Talk to somebody about how you solved that one. All right, let's take a look. Maybe we did 4, 5, 6, 7, and you counted on 3 more. So we did 4, then 5, 6, 7. Okay. Maybe, did anybody think about their doubles? What double stack could help you with this? Maybe somebody said, ooh, 3 plus 3 equals 6, and then I could add the 1 more, because 4 is 1 more than 3. That would give me 7. Let's take a look at that under here. So if I had 3 plus 3, we know that is 6. But this number really was 1 more, so that would be 7. Okay, let's try another one. And I'm setting them up in our spatial patterns to help you if you want to tap out the patterns. Under this screen I have 6, and under this screen I have 5. Go ahead and take a minute. How would you solve it? Did you say 11? Okay. Did you solve it by starting with the 6 and counting on 5 more, which would look like this? Grab the 6. We have 6 in our hand, and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's a great way to do it. Or, oh, these are next door neighbors again, so we could think about our doubles. We could pretend that was just a 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10, but then we have that 1 more, because 6 is 1 more than 5, and that would make 11. So we could count on from the 6, or we could use our doubles. Both really great ways. Uh-oh, my marker's rolling away. Okay, ready for this one? What's that pattern? A little bit messy, let me try again. 9 pattern, 3, 3, 3. So 9 under here, and 5 blue. So 9 and 5. Did you say 14? Okay, how do we do it? Did you start with 9, grab the 9, and then keep counting on? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We could do that, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and count on. Did anybody think of it a different way? This one would not be a good one to do our doubles, because they're not next door neighbors, so we can't really use our doubles very easily. But we can think about that 9 is really close to 10. So what if that was 10 plus 5? What would that be? That would be 15. But 9 is 1 less than 10. So we would have to take that 1 back off at the end. So 9 and 5 we could think of as 10 and 5 and 1 less. Okay, let's try one more. Let's see. Okay. 9 under there. And what's this pattern? 7. 6 and one more. Okay, so I have 9 red and 7 blue. How many is that all together? Write your answer in the air for me. Go ahead, do it. Okay, did you get 16? Okay, again, we could start at 9 and count up 7 more. We could say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Or we could use our fingers. Grab the 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Or, if you like that way of thinking about tens, we could say 10 plus 7 is 17, but then it was 1 less. So I would have to take that 1 back away to get 16 at the end. Either way would work just fine. Okay, so we just practiced a couple addition facts and a couple different ways. We used our doubles, we counted on, and we used our 10. So I'm going to just show you a quick game that you could play with somebody at home. It's kind of like Math Battle, but instead of just doing the greatest number, we're going to add them together and find the greatest sum. So this would be one player, and this would be another player. So one player is going to turn over 2 cards. I have a 7 and a 5, and I would add them together. That sum is 12. The other player would also be doing the same. Oh, so I made the aces into a 1. I just put a sticky note over the top. And I would have 7 plus 1 is 8. So I have 12, and my partner had 8. So whoever has the greatest sum would win the cards. So I would get all 4 of those. And then we would do it again. I would pick my 2 cards. My partner would pick their 2 cards. I would add them together. 4 and 1 I know is 5. 4 and then just 1 more. Oh, and this is 10 and 4. I know that's 14 without any work. So my partner would win that one because they had the greater sum. Okay, and you would play until all the cards were gone. So that's a fun game that you could play with somebody at home to practice your adding. Okay, next time we'll practice some subtraction. Until then, have a great day. Bye, guys.